What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to install a new exhaust on the Yamaha R6. As most of you guys might know, this thing is straight piped right now and it's loud as hell. Kind of over it, my ears hurt, and it's just too much of a ruckus. Even though I do love it, just, you know, once you start riding the bike every day, you just get sick of it. So I ordered this new Hotbodies, I think it's like MGP, something like that type exhaust. Cost me $2 something. Little carbon fiber muffler. That thing looks super nice. I think it's gonna complement the bike real good, and can't wait to throw it on. Here is the current exhaust. I'm running just a little slip on right here, and of course we got the cat delete, so it should still be super loud but muffled a little bit. I'm pretty stoked to hear how this thing's gonna sound. The bike is catless, so it's still gonna be loud as hell, just more refined, and I just hope the tone sounds like, you know, a F1 type of car. I was looking up videos online and god damn. So there's actually two pieces to this exhaust. One's right here and the other one's right there, and this exhaust is going to be sitting like right above right here, not over here, which I'm kind of excited to see how it looks on the bike. I think it's going to complement it real nice. So let's get to the install. Super simple, straightforward. Take this one bolt off and then literally slide this thing on. It has a clamp right there, and then tighten it at the bottom, and this thing goes in that place. And this exhaust is just gonna get hung on by springs, which I'll show you guys in a sec. Already loosened this up. It'll slide right out. Bam, and just remove that thing like that, and there it is. So here's a quick look at the exhaust piping. Quality work, welds are A1, and yeah, what more can you ask for? Let's get it. Oh y'all, as you guys can see, the exhaust is all mounted up. I didn't want to film me putting it on because I was kind of getting annoyed and frustrated with this damn piping right here. Wasn't fitting all the way flush. Alright y'all, it's a new day now. Finally got the exhaust fully situated. It was kind of being annoying right here. This bolt wasn't lining up perfectly, so you got to make sure that this exhaust is all the way jammed in there and it's sitting nicely. That way this bolt could go in there flush. And this spring right here, that was also kind of annoying to put on, but with some pliers you shouldn't have an issue. And another thing about this clamp they give you, make sure you guys tighten it fully and cover up all the slits on here, because those slits will give you some exhaust leaks. So yeah, there's something to look out for. Let me give you guys a quick little walk around of how this exhaust sits. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be on the edge of getting something that sticks out here. I know a lot of us are used to those little shorty mufflers, but I gotta say this thing's really growing on me. Gives the bike like that MotoGP style look. Yeah, super sick. I love it. Couldn't have asked for anything better. Gives the bike a whole different look. And I know my rear tire is bald. We'll be getting a new one shortly, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this muffler. I think it looks really good. Has that little carbon finish on it as well. So I took the bike for a ride yesterday, and this compared to the straight pipe is a completely different bike. Like, it's crazy how much different this thing sounds now, and my ears feel that much better. So definitely recommend this MGP Hotbodies exhaust if you're running a straight pipe and you're looking for something with a nice tone. We're gonna start this bad boy up real soon, and I'm gonna show you guys how this thing sounds. But again, give you guys a couple more shots of how this exhaust sits. Here's a look inside. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but yeah, there's that. Alright y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and let me know down in the comments below how you guys feel about this exhaust. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.